Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing the old mesh now. You don't need a long preface. Use pliers and a staple remover to pull staples or tacks, working clockwise so you don't warp the frame. As you strip the fabric, measure width, depth, and corner radii, write them down. Once exposed, clean the frame of dirt and rust with a wire brush so the new material seats flat. If screws are loose or metal is bent, tighten or straighten before proceeding. This prevents wrinkles later. Now cut the replacement mesh, leaving 2 to 4 cm extra all around so you can tension properly. Lay the mesh smooth and align pattern, then fold one long edge over the frame and secure the center with a staple. Go to the opposite side, stretch firmly with pliers, and staple the center. This controls tension. Continue alternating centers of each side toward corners, stapling every 2 to 3 cm. Make small adjustments as you go to avoid wave. Finish by trimming excess material about 0.5 to 1 cm from the staple line so it won't fray, and reinstall any trim or bead that covers the staples. Make sure all fasteners are tight and test the seat with light pressure first, then full weight. If you see sagging later, don't panic. Red-iron staples on the opposite side to rebalance tension, and if the frame is warped or the mesh torn near a staple, replace that panel. Prevention of stress points is why even tension matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.